Hey guys, welcome back to... Wait a minute, my fidgets are missing. I need to go fidget hunting and find all of them. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start searching for them. So I'm gonna take a look around. Oh my gosh, llama corn. I cannot handle losing you. You are my favorite squishy. I'll put you back in the bin right away. All right, Reagan, you look very suspicious. Something must be hiding around here. Oh my gosh.
I'm giving you a hint. In order to find the next fidget, you must knock somewhere. Not here.
Reagan is being very suspicious.
No. Colder. Colder.
I'm very confused, guys.
Warmer.
Panic.
Think of it. Where do you knock and it lights up?
Oh, the fridge. Oh my gosh, here are the snakes. Can't believe that you guys were in here. In the bin you go. So guys, this is, I just want to show you guys what my brother drew, isn't it? Wait a minute, it's my wacky track. What's it doing here? Oh, whatever, well, it's also a snapper. Let's go put it in the bin. In the bin you go. Well, maybe it's in the pantry. Doesn't seem to be. Maybe it can be in the bananas. Oh my gosh, the mochis are trying to eat the bananas. This one's sleeping on it. I have to take these. Let's make sure there's no other ones. Nope. Oh wow. I can't believe it. They were hiding in the bananas. They must be very full. Well, in the bin they go. Okay guys, so I've been looking around for quite a bit now, and hey, wait a minute. It's oh my gosh, the bunny. He is in the grass. What is he doing? I mean, I guess bunnies are in grass. Wow. Well, I'm sorry, bunny, but you're gonna have to go back into the bin. Okay guys, so those are all the fidgets.
Wait, there's one more.
Wait, there is? Where is it?
Well, you have to look for it.
Oh, by the way, guys, Reagan's playing with my puppet. It's not the puppet. Okay, let's look.
Let's just say he ate a lot.
He ate a lot. Uh-oh. Okay, Reagan gave me a hint and said, where do you go after you eat? Llama corn. You know, I think I'm just gonna leave you there. I got it. Bye. Okay, guys, so I officially found all of my fidgets. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.